The 14.2 method to import OVA files does not work with modern versions of VMware ESXi. That does not mean if you have a modern version of VMware, you cannot use virtual appliances. We create the virtual phone switch in Director in the normal manner. We select the ShoreGear vPhone switch from the drop-down menu and select Go. Enter the name, description, IP address, MAC address, configured max IP phone capacity. Hover over Download Switch Image to get the directory where the bare metal install ISO file is. Copy the ISO file to a safe location. In VMware, the first step is to upload the ISO file to the VMware datastore. Now create a new virtual machine. For compatibility, select ESXi 5.5. Guest OS family is Linux. Guest OS version is Other 2.6 Linux 32-bit. Select your datastore. Here we will go with 1 CPU, 2 gigs of RAM, 20 gigs of hard drive space, buslogic parallel for the SCSI controller, VMXNet3 for the network controller, connect the datastore ISO file, connect it power on, browse to your ISO file, select Next, and select Finish. Open the console and wait for the device to boot. Complete the information in the wizard. Enter the HQ IP address and wait as it installs the packages. This process took about 3 minutes on my VMware ESXi 6.7 machine. At the login prompt, the default device credentials are used. Type in stcli, and if you get this menu, you know that it connected to the server and downloaded the correct files. Check Diagnostics and Monitoring for the virtual phone switch to turn green. Once the virtual phone switch has turned green, you have completed installing your virtual phone switch in 14.2 of ShoreTel in ESXi 6.5 or 6.7.